This 99 Honda. I'm about to remove the fan. Man, this vehicle, like I said before, it's set up for a few years, and mice got into it, messed up a lot of the wiring. I got most of it fixed, but when you turn the fan on, you can tell it's something inside the fan area that's is loud. It's making noise. You can tell it's hitting something. So more than likely, there's a rat nest in there. So I'm about to film that. Only thing I got to do is take off these connections. Try to get footage of them. These connections. One. It's another one over here on the back side. And it's 3 bolts. One right there, one right there, and there's one back there. It's 3 of them. So I'm trying to set it up and record it when it comes out so you can see the rat nest. Cool. It's a T25 connector. Fine. Boom. And now I got one more way back here. Getting it back in here is gonna be a problem. Getting this off of here probably not gonna be so bad. Come back with reinforcements. Wow, look at that. Solid. Straight rat trap. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, the rats ate up. They used all of the hood, that fire mat, and that thing is all in those vents. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Man, it probably goes all in there. I don't know how much of it is. So I'm gonna have to vacuum all of that stuff out of there. Wow, look at that. It's all in here. Wow. All right, I gotta clean all this stuff out and vacuum it out. Wow. So yeah, definitely gonna have to remove this connector. Wow, I wish I had a better way to set it up, but look at all that. Straight rat action. I mean, this fan would not move. So I'm probably gonna have to reinstall it, turn it back on so it can suck some more in there and do this all over again, because I bet this is not all that's inside of it. So I'm gonna finish doing that and try to reinstall it. Back here, so. Now I got that on. I'm gonna take the key, I'm gonna turn it on. It's only working on 4 resistor. If it only works on 4 like that, it's usually a resistor in domestic vehicles. This is my first foreign, so it may be a little different. I don't know, but I'm gonna check it out and see. I'm gonna change out this blower resistor because the fan is only working on speed 4, the highest speed. Usually that's an indication of the resistor being bad. It's kind of hard to actually see under here, so I'm not really gonna be able to show it, but it's right under here. It's right under here. It's easy to get to. There's some Phillips head screws. There's 2 of them, and you just unscrew it and put it back up there, plug it up, and hopefully it'll work. Here's the new one. I got this off Amazon a while back for another car. And here's the new one. Here. Little resistor in there. Yep. Pretty simple. And if you can see this, there's more of that trash inside this resistor. I may not even need a new one. Let's see. Stick this in here real quick just to see. One, two, three. It was the resistor. It is what it is. It was that resistor. All right, no need to question that. I'm just gonna stick it back up here. All right, for the test, see what it do. Turn this bad boy to 1. There you go. There it is.
Hard looking.
And that's it for this blower motor. Well, it's not really a replacement for cleaning, but I did replace the blower motor resistor. So that's it for this repair. I know the fan's still making a little bit of noise, but it'll be all right. Just a knock around car anyway. And with that being said, this is how I do it.
Hey, come outside. Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.